This lesson, we're going to look at different types of angles. So as the learning goal says, we're going to classify different angles according to the size of the angle. So there's certain ones that we go, oh, yep, that's an acute angle, or yep, that's an obtuse angle, and things like that. So we're going to look at that in this lesson. So make sure you write your title, learning goal, and date in your book, and the examples, everything as if it were just a normal lesson in class as well. Okay, so the first thing we need to write down is the type of angles. So this is all the definitions, all right? So these are all the types of angles that there is. So if I look at this, the first one is acute, and that's any angle that is less than 90 degrees, okay? Less than 90 degrees. So copy that down and even put the example down. A right angle is exactly 90 degrees. Now, right angles are everywhere. It would be the floor to the wall. That makes a right angle triangle. The corner of most tables, your desks, most of them will be 90 degrees unless they're fancy new ones. Yeah. Obtuse is in between 90 and 180. So any time it's bigger than a right angle and less than a straight angle, which we're going to look at, that's an obtuse angle. So it's in between 90 and 80, but it does not include 90 and 180. All right, a straight angle is one that goes there, and that's exactly 180 degrees. Okay, so a straight line is exactly 180 degrees. Now, 180 degrees is going to be something that we look at more and more often. A reflex angle, so it goes here, really important. It's not here, okay? That's not that would be an obtuse angle, so it's not. So the reflex angle follows the blue, and it's in between 180 and 360 degrees. So make sure you write that down. And angles of revolution, or angles at a point, are exactly 360, and it goes around like that, and that is 360 degrees. Now, you would know that because it would be like, oh, that person did a 360 flip or turn. In a lot of different sports, we see that. Like even in dancing, we go, we need to do a 360 turn or 180 turn. And this is where it comes from. But why is a whole turn, one complete turn like this one here, where it starts here and it finishes here 360 degrees? Well, the truth is that in the ancient world, they thought it took 360 days to go around the sun. What do we call the trip around the sun? We call it a year. A year. In the ancient world, they weren't too far off because it's about approximately 365 days, doesn't it, to go around the sun, except if it's a leap year, then it's one extra. So 360 is not too bad. Anyway, that's just a little fact of how we get 360 degrees. All right, make sure that's in your books, real nice and clear so you can reuse it for reference. All right, we've got one last activity. Name these type of angles. Maybe press pause and see if you can do it ahead of me. I'm just going to draw a line to each one of them. I'm going to use a purple line. So acute, less than 90, that looks like it there. A right angle, well, that's the symbol for 90 degrees. So that would be right angle. Obtuse, well, that's between 90 and 180, so it looks like it's there. A straight line is exactly, well, I know what a straight line looks like. That's one there. A reflex between 180, so that looks like that one there because it's not marking that angle, it's marking that angle. And revolution, well, that's one right there. All right, good luck with the lesson. Write these down. Peace out.